Today we're exploring Dogwood Canyon Nature Park in the heart of the Ozarks here in Missouri. It's a development by the Bass Pro Shop organization. Johnny Moore started this. Quite an incredible little facility. It's a great place to be able to come and explore if you're visiting the area. So come along and join us. So this trail entails 3.2 total miles all the way in, crosses over the Arkansas border, finds itself out into an open field where you turn around and hike your way right back out.